Everybody, this is Brian Ewald here at PRS, and what I've got with me today are the PRS SE Custom 24 and Custom 22. When most people think about PRS, these are the guitars that they think of. They're arguably the most iconic guitars in the PRS line, what really started it all. A few updates now to 2017, most notably the pickups. In 2015, Paul made a couple major strides in his pickup design, discovered some new things, and came out with the 8515 pickups, which sound beautiful. The top end's particularly really sweet, really chimey, without ever being harsh. There's plenty of brightness in there, but you never get those harsh, ice picky tones out of them, overtones. There's also a little bit less in the low mid-range that really kind of clears things and unmuddies things. These are the 8515S pickups that are voiced by Paul to emulate the 8515s found in the core instruments. 8515s are very coveted pickups you can only get by buying one of the PRS core guitars. So it's really nice to have these pickups in the SE line. A couple things about these guitars are the same. You've got the mahogany back, maple neck with maple top. They also feature a beautiful flame maple veneer. This is a vintage sunburst. This one is a tobacco sunburst. They both have the PRS design trim. The 24 fret has a more modern aesthetic and feel with the three-way blade switch. It also has a push-pull on the tone pot so you can split the coils. The 22 fret has the three-way toggle switch and a slightly different layout on the volume and tone controls. Obviously, 24 fret is 22 fret. Some people really like to have the 2 full octaves per string. The 22 fret is a little bit more vintage inspired. These guitars feature the newly updated PRS SE logo, which features Paul's signature and the SE tucked right there underneath of it. Great looking guitars. They play and sound like a dream, just like you would expect from any PRS. Just like every other SE, all these instruments come right here to Maryland, and they're unboxed and they're gone through by the PRS technicians before they go out the door to the stores or go to you. So you know it's going to be set up and play the way a PRS should. Let's go through and have a listen and hear what the pickups sound like against one another. And I'll play it mainly clean so you can really hear the character of the pickups.
Hi, I'm Paul Allen, and this is the Schecter Hellraiser collection. This series features active EMG pickups, which have powerful ceramic magnets, which are great for increased sustain and output. These pickups are a little different than a traditional EMG pickup because they can be coil tapped, which allows you to get a wider variety of tones. The Schecter Hellraiser collection is either available in a Floyd Rose original trem or with a Tone Pros bridge system with Schecter locking tuners. Both options are really great for keeping your guitar in tune. The series features an Ultra Access neck joint which looks and feels like a neck through but is actually a set neck. This neck joint will allow you to effortlessly play high up on the neck. The series features a mahogany body with a quilted or flame maple top on select models. Also has a mahogany neck with a rosewood fingerboard, has Gothic cross inlays, and also features abalone binding. The Hellraiser series is available in a C1, C1FR, C7, C7FR, C8, Solo, and C1EX extended scale body styles. For more information, visit schecterguitars.com.